What's up guys, it's your girl Hannah Marie and welcome back to Cooking with the P-Star. And on today's menu, we have a Vietnamese dish called Luc Lac. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but it's a really good Vietnamese dish. It's pretty much beef with onions and tomatoes and garlic and a whole bunch of shit. So just stay tuned. Y'all seen the picture, so y'all clicked on it and now y'all wanna know how to cook it. So let's go. You know I love to do a lot of things, but my favorite thing to do is cooking. Welcome to Cooking with the P-Star. I can get it real hot and hard. Here's the ingredients. First, tomatoes, green onions, red onions, lime, a little bit of butter, garlic. We got some ribeye steak. I feel like ribeye is the best, so I just got 2 packs of those. Got some jasmine rice for the side dish. We're gonna need salt, pepper, avocado oil, premium fish sauce, oyster flavor sauce, soy sauce, and then this chili garlic sauce. We're gonna wash all of our produce because y'all know if you're not washing your produce, you're nasty, and we wash our stuff over here. So we're gonna get everything washed and come back so we can chop it all up and get it on the pan. Okay, because I'm starving. So I'm washing the tomatoes. Also rinsed off my meat and now I'm about to just pat dry it and cut it into about 1-inch squares. So I'm gonna do that and come back. And also a pro tip, because we eat healthy out here, you wanna cut all this white stuff off because that's nothing but fat. And it's not good for you, so we're gonna cut all that off. So you should get something like this. So you wanna put it in a bowl because we're gonna put a nice little marinade on it. Then you just wanna put it in a bowl because we're gonna put a nice marinade on it once we get done. So I have all my steak cut up in cubes, and y'all notice we haven't done something since we started the video, and that is we haven't had a smoke break. And y'all already know it's for medical purposes only. And you only get to see this at Cooking with the P-Star. I got on jeans, it's not moving. Back to the cooking. So I'm gonna start off with some black pepper. A lot, as you see, probably about 2 tablespoons. I like black pepper. About a tablespoon of salt. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We're gonna do half a teaspoon of the fish sauce. So that's just a little bit, not too much. And then we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of the oyster sauce. And I just eyeball it. I pretty much know what I'm doing. That's why I'm not using measuring cups, but you guys can definitely use measuring cups if it's easier for you. And my secret ingredient is this right here. This is so good. You can literally put this on anything and everything, but I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of this into the mix. This is the chili garlic sauce. It is so good. If you haven't tried it, try it. Look, take a screenshot. Find it at your local international markets. Now we're gonna mix all of this together. Y'all hear that? If she sound like that, she's a keeper. Let me stop. Okay, now I'm about to take this garlic, peel some, chop some up, and put it into here. Put this to the side to let it sit about 20 to 25 minutes. The longer the better, but I honestly don't have that long, so I'm just gonna let it marinate as long as I can. But like I said, the longer the better. And I'm just trying to get the skin off of the garlic. I don't use the pre-made garlic because it's bad for you. Honestly, it is, believe it or not. Pre-made garlic is made with nothing but pesticides. And I know you're thinking, oh, well, what about the regular garlic? Like, you know, the fresh garlic? Well, I get organic, so. Just stop being lazy in the kitchen and cut up some fresh garlic. I know it's annoying to peel, but it's gonna be so worth it. I'm over here crying. Excuse me.
Why are you crying?
I'm too bad for these niggas. No, I'm just playing. So I chopped up my first onion. This is what they should look like. Just triangle pieces like that. Now I'm gonna cut up the other one because I actually like a bunch of onions in mine. So we're gonna cut up a little bit more of this, and then we're gonna move on to the tomatoes. And my eyes are burning like a motherfucker. Y'all see these? They burn. And speaking of my eyes, y'all see my lashes? I'm about to come out with a lash brand that's dropping soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And while I got your attention, I hope you already did this, but you need to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I post videos like this one. Had to take a little break. But before I did that, I made sure I cut my tomato how I need them to be. As you see, I have all 4 of the tomatoes chopped up. Like I said, or like I showed, they should look like this. The onions should look like this, and I also got some fresh garlic chopped up. So now I'm just gonna let this meat marinate a little bit more. Wash my rice, because we need some white rice as a side. And then I'm gonna put that on the pot. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to cook rice, so I'm not gonna show that part. If you don't, let me know and I'll do a whole video on how to cook rice, okay? Okay, so I have my rice cooking back there. Now we're gonna start on the little side sauce that this dish requires. It's usually just lime juice, salt, and pepper, but I like to take it a step further and add this chili garlic sauce. And yeah, but if you don't like spicy stuff, don't add this step. Just squeeze some lemons or limes, whatever you have. It's limes, but if you have lemons, lemons work too. And then salt and pepper. So yeah, I'm about to do that now. I'm gonna also add green onion and a little bit of red onion too. You don't have to do that, but if you want a good sauce, I would suggest doing that. Squeeze all that lime juice in the bowl. I have chopped up my onions. I'm gonna add those in there. Then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of this chili garlic sauce. Not too much, because I don't want to make it too spicy. Just a little bit more. Okay. Pepper. Probably about a teaspoon as well. And then about a teaspoon of salt. You pretty much dip the meat in this sauce, and the sourness sauce, which is this, on the sweet and tangy. It's like a sweet and tangy taste. To keep it short, it's like sweet and tangy. Just try it. I want to try this sauce though. Make sure. That's good. Damn. I'm gonna put this to the side. Now I'm gonna get my pan ready so I can put this meat on there. I have my pan on about medium heat, and I put some avocado oil in the pan, probably about 3 tablespoons. And now I'm just gonna place my meat in there one by one. You don't wanna overcrowd your pan, because then it's not gonna cook the way it needs to cook. You wanna cook these for about 7 minutes on each side. So once they start looking like this, we're gonna take them and set them aside. And do the same thing. This process takes about 30 minutes. Just a little time consuming, but you have to do it in batches, or else, like I said, the meat won't cook and get a nice brown crispiness like that. But I do know that this is going to be a great meal, because for one, I'm cooking it, and for two, I've already ate it, so I know it's good.
What's up, man?
As you see, I have my meat browning up. This is gonna be really good. Anybody that eats my food will tell you that. The truck, restaurant, all that. Okay, okay. Stay tuned. Now, once this gets done, I'm going to add the onions and tomatoes, and then I'm also gonna add this sauce. It's pretty much the same sauce that the meat was marinating in. I just added a little bit more. I'm gonna add all that to the end, but I'll keep you posted. quick smoke break. Here you go.
For the cameraman?
Yep.
Wow, I love my job.
So now all my meat is done. In that same pan, I'm gonna add the garlic and the onions, and we're also gonna add the tomatoes, but I'm gonna let the onions and garlic cook down a little bit before I add the tomatoes because those are water-based, so it's gonna make everything a little soggy if I do that. So I'm gonna add those last and don't cook them for long. So your onions and garlic should look something like this. And when they do, you wanna go ahead and add your tomatoes. Let those cook for about 3 minutes. Then we're gonna add the meat and then the sauce. Yummy.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna mix all this together and let it cook for about a minute or two. And then we're ready to plate. You also wanna add your butter in there and let it melt and get all nice incorporated in the sauce. And yeah, I'm gonna let it do that now.
A few moments later.
Look at this food. This is called bo Luc Lac. It's a Vietnamese dish. I put you on, I know. Now this smells and looks so good and I cannot wait to try it. He's already eating, you already heard what he said. It's yummy. So, we got our sauce on the side. We put a little garnish. I put some sesame seeds and a more green onion. So I'm about to just get a good bite of this. I'm gonna dip it in my sauce too. Get some rice. That's so good. I'm telling y'all. I'll be putting y'all on the recipes, and I'm gonna continue putting y'all on. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you like this recipe, and let me know what other recipes you want me to do. Till next time, bye.